So let's evaluate this particular integral. So we have the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 over 1 plus x squared with respect to x. So we're going to use the standard integral, and the standard integral of this one is simply the tan inverse or the arctan. So let's recall that the integral of this standard form here with respect to x is simply the tan inverse of x plus the constant of integration c, but of which we're not going to be using the constant of integration because what we have is a definite integral. So if that's the case, then we're going to say integrating what we have, which is the integral from 0 to 1 of 1 over 1 plus x squared with respect to x. This gives us the tan inverse of x with limits from 0 to 1, like that. So our job here basically is just to replace x with the upper limit, then we subtract the whole thing when we replace x with the lower limit. So this will be equals to tan, replace x with 1, minus tan inverse again. This time around we replace x with 0, like that. Now tan 1 is 45 degrees and tan 0 is 0. So the tan inverse of 1 is 45 degrees, or simply pi over 4. And tan inverse of 0 is simply 0. So our final answer to this integral is simply pi over 4. So this just reduces to pi over 4.